Hello everyone, welcome to Doruk Academy. Welcome to non-stop broadcast course. First of all, let's start with methods everyone knows. So, what it is? When you enter your YouTube channel, you can open broadcasts or upload videos from the top right, or you can use different applications like OBS, Stage 10, Streamlabs OBS, XSplit Broadcaster, XSplit Gamecaster, Virocast. When you come to the YouTube live screen section, it gives you a stream key. This stream key consists of number and letter. With this stream key, you come to the stream section of these programs and log in and your live broadcast starts. You can launch it with either the screen recording or the camera recording. This is a common method. But what we do, we will stream through the servers. What is server? In computing, a server is a piece of hardware or software. I don't want to go into too much detail. Shared hosting, co-location, reseller, dedicating hosting, and are some kind of servers. And what we want to do, we want to broadcast live without interruption, like Sky News, ABC News, NBC News, Newsroom from Fox, News Now from Fox, CNN, Bloomberg, Al Jazeera, like RT, and there are also radio channels broadcasting 724. And why live broadcasting? You can reach your audience faster. You can accelerate mass audience. You can exceed YouTube's criteria faster. YouTube has some criteria such as watch time or number of followers, and live streaming allows you to exceed these criteria more easily. You can get popularity on a short way. YouTube supports live streaming much more than normal videos. It has to do this to close the distance with Twitch-like programs. For example, if you type NBC in the search engine on YouTube, the first ones to appear will be live broadcasts. You can try it. You can use Twitch's live broadcast popularity. You can appear on the top lines in search videos. You can make a lot of money. You can make a serious profit. And why should I broadcast on the server? Because you need to turn off your computer. If you don't turn off your computer will probably malfunction after a while. If you broadcast from your own computer, your broadcast will be turned off when the power is cut. Something will happen with the internet problem, and YouTube algorithm will investigate video shutdown caused by momentary interruption. As a result of this research, 10 or maybe 1,000 people who watch you will see that they leave your video, and this will create a negative feedback for your channel. Apart from this, if we don't use servers, we will shorten the life of our computer. And if our own computer is open 724, it will increase our electricity bill. We don't want to pay an invoice much more than $20 or $1,000 we will give to the server. And business ideas. what we can do. You can broadcast your life or home, camera recording broadcast, nature cameras broadcast. You can find a place with a nature view and put a camera there. And you can put royalty-free music behind it. It does not have to be a view. It can be your own garden if you have your own street. You can do this wherever you want. And whether you are America or India, Norway or China, and count broadcasts or versus broadcasts, number of followers broadcasts, relax, study music. Maybe your followers can have a good time with a quiet music that you will put behind with a GIF. Children's animation channels you can broadcast by making small animation and looping them. The most important aspect of this course is that we teach you how to make money even when you go to bed and sleep at night. Your channel is watched and followed while you sleep. You can learn all of them with the link we put in the description section, and thank you for watching.